In this video, we're going to show you how to defend yourself against a guy wearing a motorcycle helmet, typical road rage type of incident. We're going to show you why the popular advice of slapping and using palm strikes does not work at all. And we're going to show you what you should be doing instead, which is something that none of us have found anywhere else on YouTube. 20 plus years of my life, I've been taught that this works. It doesn't. They told me, oh, if a motorbike helmet user attack you, just hit with both hands, and then it's gonna be like an earthquake in his face. It's there. You okay? Thanks to Marcos. Now I know it doesn't work. So first of all, we need to tell you why it doesn't work before we tell you what to do instead. And if you think about it for 1 second and consider it, it makes perfect sense why it doesn't work. These helmets are made to withstand crashes at 100 miles an hour into the concrete road. Why on earth would Raul or me be able to slap Marcus and suddenly render him unconscious? The only thing that I managed to do with an elbow to his face is to dislodge the visor. Marcos, are you okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Perfectly fine. So Marcus now is going to show us what we should be doing instead if we're up against a guy with a motorcycle helmet on, like the one in this video.
Okay, guys, well, we've seen that hitting the helmet is totally useless. So at this point, forget striking to the head. The best thing to do is get the helmet from the chin bar. Okay, underneath the chin bar. And from here, you control the head. Who controls the head controls the body. So once you grab, you can pull down and control the whole body of the person who is wearing a helmet. And from there, you can do a few things if you want, or just escape. Obviously, this will work only with a full face helmet because you have to grab the chin bar, okay? You could do it in a half face helmet, but you have to grab under the strap. But that's very difficult to do it quick. But with a full face helmet, grab under the chin bar is easy.
So once you get that control, you've got millions of options, okay? Now you can strike either to the body, to the bollocks, whatever, right? You can knee him here. You can drag him all the way to the ground.
Guys, honestly, it's a claustrophobic, disgusting sensation because you lost the control of your body completely. And I didn't know, thank you, Marcos, because I did not know how terrible it is when they grab you. I don't ride motorbikes anyway. But wow, the sensation is claustrophobic and disgusting because you lost the control. You are like, you know, the babies, when the head goes to one side and then the full body of the baby is something like that. You lose the control of your body, no matter how strong you are.
Well, hopefully we'll never be attacked by a guy with a motorcycle helmet, but at least now we know what to do, and I haven't seen that technique anywhere else on YouTube, guys. We did another video with Marcus about how to throw elbows for self-defense. You should definitely check that one out next.